In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a website on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, Google Sites provides a user-friendly platform for creating your own web page. And today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to embed another website into your Google site seamlessly. First, what you'll need to do is open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, simply type in Google Sites and hit Enter. Usually, the very first link will bring you directly to the Google Sites homepage. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, look for the option to select an existing site to work on. Or you can always choose to create a new one if that's what you're intending to do. For our purposes, let's select a site and click on it. This will take you to the editing interface of your Google site. Now, direct your attention to the menu on the right-hand side. Here, you'll find a multitude of options for customizing your site. Look for and click on the section labeled Insert. This is where you have the ability to add a variety of elements to your page, including our current goal, the Embed option. Afterwards, a panel will open up, and what you'll want to do is locate and press the Embed button. It's pretty straightforward. You'll be given a choice in the form of a pop-up window asking for the method of your embed. Opt for the By URL method. It's the simplest and most direct way to get things done. With the pop-up still open, you'll now need to have the URL of the website you wish to embed ready. Go ahead and paste that URL into the field provided. Double-check the address to make sure it's correct and complete. Errors in the URL might lead to the web page not appearing correctly on your site. Once you're confident that the URL is accurate, go ahead and click on Insert. Your chosen web page should now be embedded directly onto your Google site. Just that easy. You'll want to preview the changes by navigating to the top right corner of the page and clicking the Preview button. Take a moment to ensure everything appears just how you want it. If you need to make any adjustments, just hop back into the editing mode. And there you have it. A perfectly embedded website within your Google site. Remember, embedding websites directly can enhance the interactivity of your site, providing visitors with information directly, rather than redirecting them elsewhere. It's a brilliant way to keep users engaged. Happy creating!